guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Anju Sheikh and I make videos related to study vlogs, productivity and many more. So today's video is the third part of the weekly vlog. Today when I'm shooting this video, it's Saturday, so this video is going to be for Saturday and Sunday. If you haven't seen the first two parts of this series, I will just link it up in the I button so you can just know what is going on in this vlog. So as I said in my last video that Saturday is a pretty exciting day for me because it's my sister's birthday. Yes, I do have a small sister and today is her birthday. So yes, the first thing that I have to do is I have to make a cake for her. So yeah, first we are going to do that and let's see. I have not made any to-do list for today because I did not know how much time would the cake baking take. So I thought after baking the cake I will make the to-do list. So yeah, now I will just go have a shower and then we'll start to make the cake. I have no experience in baking cake, so if the cake turns out to be a disaster, please bear with me. And if at the end of the day you like the cake, please let me know in the comment section below. I will be really happy to know what you think about the cake. So the cake that I have to bake is really difficult, but I think it will be worth baking if it turned out to be good. So yeah, let's see. ये तो अब बनाने के बाद ही समझेगा कैसे बनता है. So yeah, let's see that. So now I will just go have my shower and then we'll start to bake the cake. So yeah, now you are seeing a time lapse of me making the cake. So it almost took me 1 hour to bake the cake and after that 1 hour to just decorate it. So this is how the cake turned out to be at the end. Started baking the cake at 11 o'clock in the morning and by the time I completed the cake the time was around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. After that I just made the to-do list for the day and then took a break from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock to just relax in that time. So after the break, I just decided to sit on my study table and go through some of the notes for biology. So now I'm just reading some of those notes and so many of you would even be wondering why am I even studying physics, chemistry and biology, because we don't even have that much weightage for these subjects in our UPSC exam. But for MPSC, that is Maharashtra PSC, we have almost 20% of the question in prelims asked from these three topics, that is physics, chemistry and biology. So it is very important for me to study these topics in detail. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm doing this. So after that I just came out for a quick walk because due to this lockdown we all are stuck at home and it's really important to just take a little bit of natural air. So I usually go to cycling or just come out for a quick walk. So today was a hectic day, so I thought rather than going for cycling I will just come out and take a quick walk.
Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you.
So guys, this is my sister, her name is Sania, and guys, what do you think about the cake? Let me know in the comment section below. I will be really happy to know. So after enjoying that delicious cake, I was just sitting on my study table and making flashcards of the topics that I thought were really difficult to understand. So personally, I find that the flashcard method is really effective when we have to revise something, and particularly if the subject has many keywords or key points, then the flashcard method is really good when we have to revise or when we have to do the last minute revision. So after that, I was really exhausted sitting at one place, so I just came out in the living room, and here I am just revising some of the old flashcards that I had made earlier. So the flashcards that I was revising in this session were some of geography and also of polity. So I just revised these flashcards for around 1.5 hours, and then I thought I was really tired, so I called off for the day. So yeah, now I will just go for sleep and then meet you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. Hey guys, good morning. It's the Sunday morning and today we have to grind a lot because we have wasted yesterday almost 2 to 3 hours. So yeah, today we are going to wind up for that, and now it's around 9:30 in the morning. Now I will just go cycling for some time and then come have a shower and start the first session of the day. And yes guys, what do you think about yesterday? I think sometimes doing something for your loved ones is really important because that really helps you to be happy, and if you're happy in your life, you will really enjoy studying. So this is something that I follow and I really believe in, and let me know in the comment section below what do you have to say about this. I will be really happy to know your responses. So yes guys, now I will just go for cycling, come back, have a shower, and then we will start the first session of the day. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. So after coming back, I was just enjoying this delicious cake that I made yesterday. So after that, the time was to make a to-do list. So yeah, now I'm just making a to-do list for today. So the first task that I have to do today is to edit the video. So the part 1 of this series was to be uploaded on Tuesday. So I thought I should start editing that video because I usually edit in the time span of 2 to 3 days because I only edit during my breaks or whenever I have free time. So I started editing that video today. So after editing the video, I just set a timer for 2 hours and I wanted to complete the physics part of the general science today, so I just started with that. So after that, I started with the reasoning session. So after the last session of reasoning, I took a break for around 1.5 hours and now I am back to studies. So now I am just revising some of the biology notes that I have made in past few days. So there were a lot of topics that were not covered in that series of biology. So I thought I will just cover those topics from this book. So now I am just doing that. So hey guys, I'm done with the bio and physics revision. So now I was just going through some of the comments on my YouTube channel. So I just want to thank you guys for just commenting on my channel, showing so much of love and respect. Thank you so much guys. And there were some mean comments, but yeah, we should just leave them behind and move forward. So yeah, and one more thing that I want to share with y'all is that today when I'm shooting this video, the date is 13th of September. And the first video that I uploaded on my channel was on 14th of August. So today I have completed 1 month on YouTube, and I just want to say that my last 1 month journey on YouTube has been incredibly good. I am so glad I started this channel. Today I am much more confident as compared to when I was shooting the first video. I was really nervous and shy at that time, but today I can just come in front of a camera and talk to y'all, and I think this is a very huge achievement for me. And I just want to thank you guys for showing so much of love, and in just 1 month we have crossed 10,000 subscribers. Yesterday only we have crossed 10,000 subscribers, and I just wanted to thank you guys in this video. Thank you so much guys. Probably you will see this video much later, but yeah, I just want to thank you guys. So yeah, now I will just take a break for a few minutes and then have my dinner and then start the last session of the day. So yeah, I'll meet you guys in some time. So the last session of the day was also for physics, because I thought I will complete the entire syllabus of physics in this week, but I was not able to complete the entire syllabus. I was only able to complete 75% of that, and I was really happy with that. And I also completed 75% of chemistry syllabus and only 30 to 35% of biology syllabus. I will need more, almost 2 to 3 weeks to complete the biology syllabus, and I will not do it in one go. I will do it a little bit every week. So yeah, I will keep you updated with that. So hey guys, this was it for today, and I was able to complete a considerable amount of syllabus, so I'm really happy with that. And yeah guys, I will end the vlog here, and hope you all like this video, and if you do, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below what you think about the video. And yes guys, from next week I will be uploading new videos on every Thursday, so yeah, keep a watch on that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, bye.